Again, the directress has to show two fingers to child and let a child trace that particular sound. Here we are showing you the Urdu huruf-e-tahaji, the sound of k. Trace and recognize. 3-period lesson is being observed. Trace and recognize. Just in the same manner and in the same way, you can find the English sounds like there is a letter of U, and we're going to sound or trace again with the help of two fingers, left to right. The English sounds are having their formation from left to right. This is letter U, the sound A. All the vowels that are creating phonetics word are in blue. After presenting on early stage these sandpaper hearts, cutouts and letters, we go towards large movable alphabets, LMA. Movable alphabets make words. They are easy to handle and they are as named movable. You have to keep those movable letters on mat to create some sounds and then the words. For the word blending, it is must in the Montessori environment. Now let's come to words and other exercise, that is metal in set. Now we go forward, move on to metal in set. According to Dr. Maria Montessori, the metal in set that has different shapes in it creates some designs and lines. The creation of line, the making of lines helps a child to grip pencil, understand writing formations and making some shapes. This metal in set is part of sensorial, EPL, mathematics as well as the perfection of language, the one space that is called writing. After creating different shapes with the help of metal in set, let's do a proper presentation. The directors choose a simple frame of a curved finger, takes a sheet of inset paper and two different colored pencils. The directress then invites a child to choose a place to work on the table or on floor. She shows the child how to carry the materials to the chosen spot. The directress sits next to child or let's stand him on the table. Whenever the child has the fullest view, taking into consideration the directress herself and the child being right or left-handed, start using this. Directress places the material in front of the child and then shows how to work with the material. Stage 1. The directress shows the child how to cover the sheet of inset paper with the frame. She then takes how to cover the sheet of inset paper with the frame. She then takes one of the colored pencils, holding it with the paper pencil grip, 3 fingers, and draws slowly around the inside of the frame. Slowly inside of the frame in an anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. The clock moves in some manners, so anti-clockwise, the direction moves on. Then she invites the child to try tracing the outline of the frame. She likes or not. If the child is able to do it, then proceed on with the next stage.